Hi friends, welcome to our UGC NET online course. Today I am going to take as a topic 7 genetic algorithm which is coming under the artificial intelligence. These are the subtopics which coming under this topic. First one, encoding of strategies. Second, genetic operators. Third, fitness function and CA cycle. Fourth one, the problem solving using GA. As a quick analyzing the previous question paper 2019 June and 2019 December, we found that the genetic operators and the fitness functions are very important in UGC NET. So we will see it detailedly. First, we want to know the genetic algorithm. Okay, it is a technique, optimized technique based on the principle of a genetic and natural selection, where we have to process making a something better, finding the value of the input in such a way to get a best output value. In terminology, the population means it is a set of the chromosome in which the subset of all possible solution is given a problem. In chromosome, it is a one of the such solution given the problem. You can see 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 are the chromosome. Gene is the one element position on the chromosome. You can see the 0 is the gene. This is the basic structure of the genetic algorithm. Okay, first it is start by the initializing the population, where they are generated by the randomly or by the seeding of the other. Where in next they are applying the fitness function calculation by taking the promising of the element on it. Okay, after that they are just crossover. In crossover, what the operations are done? Just they are combining the two parents from the children to get a new generation or a next generation. Okay, after that mutation, in mutation it will be a weaker in chromosome or will be a get in the new solution. It depend upon the solution of it. After we have to go as survivor selection. This survivor selection, from that we have to fix the value to determining the individual or a keep to the next generation. This loop is continue until they get a correct or a best result on it. If they are getting a constant value or a best result, then it will be terminated and written best. Next subtopic is fitness function. Okay, what is a fitness function? In fitness function, it is a optimization function which we are taking a solution as an input to produce a suitable solution of a output. In some case, the fitness function is objective function may having a same. It might be a different based on the problem. This objective function, it might be a maximize problem and minimize problem in fitness function. What in maximization problem, where having a same, they are considered as a same objective function. In minimization problem, they are generating a non-negative value in all case and it reflected to the relative fitness individual string. Okay, it is just necessary to the mapping of a natural objective function to the fitness function form. We see the fitness function calculation. How the fitness function calculation? In this problem, here the given is the 8 Qs problem, which using a non-active pair of the Q. Okay, non-active pair of the Q value having a solution of 28. The value of the four states are given 24, 23, 20 and 11. Okay, now we have to find the fitness function. How the fitness function is called? The mean is equal to 0 and max equal to 8 multiplied by 7 divided by 2, we get as a 28. So now we have to find the 24. The 24 divided by every that 4 the 4 states should be added, we get the percentage of the fitness function. Same as 23. 23 divided by 24 plus 23 plus 20 plus 11. We get a 29 percentage of a fitness function of 23. Okay. The subtopic is genetic operators. Okay. In genetic operators, it is used in genetic algorithm to guide the algorithm to find out the solution of a given problem. There are the 3 main type of the operators. First, selection, crossover and mutation. We will see in detail. Okay. Next operator is selection operators. Okay. This fitness function is calculated in the basis of the selection operator. In selection operator, they are selected the chromosome from the population to the parent to cross over and produce the offspring. This selection operator, they are selecting as a randomly from the member of a population which used to the crossover and mutation and created to the next generation. There are the many techniques are used in selection, but the basic 4 techniques are used. First, roulette wheel selection. Okay, in roulette wheel selection, it is a circular wheel. Okay, which is divided to the described before. It having a fixed point to choose the wheel or choose the parent on it. Whenever it is spin the wheel, it chose the parent which coming front of the point, fixed point. Okay, you can see in the diagram it chosen as a D as a parent because the fixed point showing the yellow color. Okay, for second parent the same processes is repeated. It is clear to us that its fitness will individually as greater pi wheel in there, it will be front of the fixed point. Second basic selection operator is ranking selection operator. Okay, in ranking selection, it removing the concept of the fitness value while it selecting the parents. Every individual population we are ranking according their fitness value. You can see in diagram A is as a ranking worst. Why? Its fitness value is 9.8. So like this. Next is chromosome, we are selected as B because its fitness value is 7.1, ranking as 2. Third basic technique is stochastic universal sampling, in which here the multiple fixed points are there. We are choosing by the spinning of the wheel. It means that all parents are choice in just one spin of the wheel. Okay. Here the fitness proportional method does not work due to this case because here it will be taken as a negative value. The last technique is tournament selection. In this tournament selection, they are selected from the individual from the population. By the randomly they are selected as a best of the becoming of a parent. This is repeat up to the next of the parent. For example, like a cricket match. Okay, the cricket match how is going on? The matching is done by the 2 groups. Same as in tournament selection, they are just matching with the 2 chromosome, which are the fitness to it. It will be goes to the another chromosome to match it. Like this, it is repeated up to they get a next parent to. Next operator is crossover operator after selection. The next operator is crossover operator. Okay, in crossover operator method, they are just sharing the information between the chromosome. This by the selected parents. Okay, by the selected parents, it reproducing the offspring by the performing the crossover operation on a chromosome. Okay, in this they are just taking as a pairing of the chromosome, does not cross over the chromosome, just as taking as a to creating a copy of parents. Okay, it is just creating as a clone of it. There are the 3 methods in crossover operator are using. First, 1 point of a crossover. You can see the diagram. 1 point of a crossover, it just selected by the tails of the 2 parents. Parent 1, the green color is parent 1 and blue color is parent 2. How they are swapping the new offspring. Okay, how they are just cutting the tails of it and just they are swapping on it in 1 point crossover. Okay, In second method, multiple point of a crossover, in which it is generation of a one point of a crossover. Here it is swapping to get a offspring, but it is done by the multiple. You can see that it is divided into two parts. The mid sections are, they are just swapped it, and first and last of a tails, they are just swap it on it to getting a new offer springing of it in multiple point. Okay, okay, after uniform crossover, in uniform crossover, they does not dividing the chromosome into the segment, they just treat it as a, each of the gene are separated. Means gene, I told you the gene is the single element in a chromosome. Okay, they are just separating the single element of a chromosome, just flipping on it. You can see the diagram. 0, the parent 1 of the 0 just swap to the parent 2 of the 5 of the gene. Okay, in this biverses, we can say that the coin of the one parent to having a more genetic material from the children. Operator is mutation operator in genetic algorithm. Okay, in mutation, what it is, random processor where one gene are replaces to the another to get a new genetic structure. Okay, in mutation, they are just randomly applied for the low probability to modify the element on the chromosome. Okay, in which the it just a play as a role of the local random searching in a framework by the generation of a process cycle. It's just like a generation of a process cycle. The mutation is considered as a secondary searching of an operator in genetic algorithm after they are considering of a crossover operator. Okay, in mutation operator, first bit flip mutation. In mid bit mutation, they are just selecting one or a more random bit, just flipping them. You can see 0 0 1 1. They just flipping a 1 to the another. Just flipping they are done. By flipping, they are getting a new parents. Okay, they are getting a new parents. This is used as a binary encoding in genetic algorithm. Okay, second, swapping mutation. In swapping mutation, they are done as a two position of a chromosome as a randomly interacting with it as a common permutation based on the encoding. They are done in a swapping. You can see the 2 6 just they are swapped it, where the 2 placed the 6 is came and 6 placed the 2 is came. Just they are swapping on it. Okay. The next selection is survivor selection. In this selection, the individual are kicking out and kept in the next generation. Okay, they are just fitted, the individual are kicking out of the population, and they are just keeping the same time of the maintaining the population. They are just maintaining the population by the fitness of a member of a population always in propagated to the next generation. It is very useful to the next generation. Just under no normally it is not under the circumstance can be fitness of a member of replacement. Okay, there are the two method in selection, age based selection and fitness based selection. Okay, in age based selection, they just replacing the oldest member. Okay, they just replacing by the oldest member. They are not seeing that here not seeing that the fitness value is good, then also they are not fitness value is good, that no matter, there is no matter there how to good fitness value is this, just they are kicking out it. Just you can see the diagram, we can understand the P4 and P5 are the oldest members of the population in the existing population, so they are just kicking out, rest of them they are increment by the 1. Okay, in fitness based section, they just replacing at least fit of the individual in the population. Okay, so just this fitness based in fitness based selection, they are done by using the selection policy. But the selection policy means we in previous we study in selection policy is tournament selection, ranking selection, like this. They are just doing that method in this fitness based selection. They are just replacing it. You can see the diagram, that p1 and p2, just they are replacing the replacing from the existing population. Okay, just removing out. Okay, same fitness value will be there everyone, but just they are removing out. Okay, here you can see that p big y, that p1 and p9 having a same fitness value, so it will be remove individual of a population from the population. Okay, this termination is criticized by the genetic algorithm, which decided whether it is continues to search or stop the searching. Okay, generation number, evaluation timing, and fitness threshold, population and conversion. This is a normally generation number is, this method is always active, because there is, this method is when they are stopped when there is a number or a maximum number of the has been run. Okay, this either be set by the generation is called as a run, or end by the running of this expected by finding one or a more highly fitted to the chromosome, मतलब highly fitted to the chromosome, or a good solution or a best solution of the input problem. This we completed the topic 7, genetic algorithm. Thank you. Have a nice day.